Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a sway kick cross down. Now, if you've met a kick cross down before, this is going to be easy. In fact, in some ways, I think the lead for this is easier than the first move variant, because in the sway variant, you're doing the same steps. So you're both going left when you go left, you're both going right when you go right, which means the guy's movement makes it stronger to lead the lady to do the same things. So if you've never done a kick cross down, you could learn this one as your first one. It would work either way, but you do need to know how to do a sway. Link in the description below, and any experience with leading footwork and kicks would be helpful too. The move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Obviously you could do any of the sway exits you wanted to. So first off, let's have a quick go at the kick cross down footwork. Doesn't matter which foot you start with. So we're going to start by stepping back on the left. It's going to be the same for everybody. So we're going to go back on the left, replace onto the right, so there's a rock step. We kick out to the front, we cross over and put the foot down, and now we do the same thing in mirror image. We go back on the right, so we go rock, back onto the front foot, step, kick, crossing over, putting it down, and repeat. So we go rock, step, kick, and a rock, step, kick, and a rock, step, kick, and a rock, step, kick, and so we go on. Let's see if we can put it together with a partner. I'm going to do it this side first, and then we'll do the other side next time through. So we go right to right, starts like a normal sway. We go back, we go wrap. Obviously, the nice hand if you can manage it as opposed to the twisted hand position. Picking up the spare hand is also going to give you more ability to lead, so I would recommend it. We're going to all go back on the right, so it's right foot back for everybody. So this is our first rock step. Rock, step. We're going to kick. We're going to be heading over to the left as we do it. We're going to cross, so the lady's actually going to go between our front feet at that point, so we've got to have left enough room for the ladies to do that. We continue through with that weight change, and then we can do a rock step. Rock, step. Now we're kicking and going over to the right. Kick. Guys, make sure you don't step on the lady as you come down, and we get rock, step. My advice, make sure you're a little bit apart while you're learning, and as you get more experience, you'll be able to tighten it up. So we're going to do another set. Kick, cross down, rock step. Kick, cross down, rock step. Now all we're going to do, one step forwards together, boom, send the lady out, hanging on with the right, letting go with the left, bringing the lady to face, return, and we're done. Obviously the speed of the exit, you can do the fast or the slow sway exit from there. So now, same thing from the other side, thinking numbers. We go back, 1, wrapping, 2. We do our rock, 3. Which means we get kick 4, all the way through, rock 5, kick 6, rock 7, kick 8, rock 1, kick 2, rock 3, forwards 4, send the lady out 5, facing 6, returning 7, and back 8. That was the slow exit. If you want to end faster, that's fine. Okay, let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, a sway. Kick, cross down, we go, a back, wrap, a rock, step, kick, a rock, step, kick, a rock, step, kick, a rock, step, kick, and a rock, step, step, away, face, return, and back. Changing hands or not, entirely up to you and what you're going to do next. Thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end of something nice to dance to, something particularly nice that will fit this particular move. And we'll see you next time. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.